how much should you actually spend on a backpack vacuum for hardwood floors? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're breaking down 5 real options to help you figure out what's actually worth your money. Product number 1, Eureka 3670M Lightweight Canister Cleaner. Let's start with the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. This yellow, lightweight vacuum caught my eye because it's built for all floor types, especially hardwoods, and it weighs just 8.6 pounds, easy to carry around the whole house. If you want a no-frills, powerful cleaner that won't break your back, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It packs a 12-amp motor, which gives strong suction without being too heavy. The 2.5-liter dust bag means fewer trips to empty it, and the included extension wands and attachments let you clean under furniture and along baseboards, perfect for hardwood floors where dust hides in tight spots. It's also bagged, so you avoid messy dust clouds when emptying. Over 6,000 people bought this last month, and for good reason. Now, some people complained about the lack of a HEPA filter, which means fine dust and allergens might slip back into the air. Here's the thing though, if you don't have severe allergies and mostly deal with pet hair or crumbs on hardwood, the foam filter is still effective. Plus, it's much cheaper to maintain. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, budget-friendly vacuum that handles hardwood floors well. Skip this one if you need hospital-grade filtration. For under $100, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for people who hate dealing with bags. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister is another lightweight champ at just 8.15 pounds, but this one goes bagless and includes automatic cord rewind, a small touch that saves a ton of time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The integrated airflow control on the handle lets you switch suction power instantly when moving from carpet to hardwood, so you don't scatter crumbs. The 2.5-liter dust cup is easy to empty with one button, and the washable filters mean no ongoing costs. It also has a built-in crevice tool, so you're never hunting for attachments. Over 5,000 units sold last month show people love the convenience. Now, some users mentioned the dust cup can get a little messy to clean, especially with fine dust. Here's the thing though, if you rinse it weekly, it's barely an issue. And since there are no bags to buy, you save money long term. This is perfect for you if you want low maintenance and hate replacing bags. Skip this one if you're ultra sensitive to dust exposure. For the price, it's a smart, practical pick. Product number 3, Bissell Zing Lightweight Bagged Canister. Now, if the bagless design of the Eureka Whirlwind worried you about dust exposure, the Bissell Zing is a clean, bagged alternative. Priced at $89.99, it's simple, reliable, and designed to keep allergens locked in. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9-amp motor gives strong suction for hardwood floors, and the flip of a switch surface adjustment makes transitioning from rugs to bare floors effortless. The automatic cord rewind is a nice touch, and the bagged system means no cloud of dust when you empty it, ideal if you have allergies. It also includes washable pre- and post-motor filters, so you're not constantly buying replacements. Now, some people said the hose feels a bit stiff at first, making it harder to maneuver under low furniture. Here's the thing though, after a week of use, it loosens up and becomes much more flexible. It's not a deal breaker, just a minor adjustment period. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, allergen-friendly vacuum for hardwood and light carpet. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty suction for thick rugs. For under $90, it's a quiet, effective workhorse. Product number 4, Atrix Ergo Backpack Vacuum. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. This is the Atrix Ergo Backpack Vacuum, and it's not your average canister. At $189.99, it's pricier, but it's built like a pro tool. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a true backpack design with a 1400-watt motor and 106 CFM airflow, meaning it cleans large hardwood areas fast without straining your back. The ergonomic waist strap distributes weight, so you can clean for hours, perfect for big homes or light commercial use. It also includes a full HEPA filtration system with 10 extra filters, so dust and allergens stay trapped.
Now, some users said it's overkill for small apartments. Here's the thing though, if you're cleaning more than 1,500 square feet or have pets and allergies, the power and filtration are worth it. But if you're just doing a studio, it's too much. This is perfect for you if you need professional grade cleaning for hardwood floors. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a tiny space. For the performance, it's a long-term investment.
Product number 5, Sweep Scent 1600W Dual HEPA Canister. Now, if the Atrix felt too bulky, this next one offers strong suction in a more traditional canister form. The Sweep Scent 1600W canister vacuum delivers 45 kPa of suction with stepless control, so you can go from delicate hardwood to thick rugs without switching tools. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles, making it great for allergy sufferers. The 4.5 quart bagless chamber means less emptying, and the 22-foot auto rewind cord gives you a 35-foot cleaning radius, huge for open floor plans. It also comes with 5 specialized tools, including a pet brush and crevice tool, all stored neatly on the base. Now, some people said it's a bit loud at full power. Here's the thing though, you'll rarely need max suction on hardwood, and at lower settings, it's quiet enough for daytime cleaning. Plus, the 2-year warranty shows the brand stands behind it. This is perfect for you if you want strong suction, HEPA filtration, and tool versatility. Skip this one if you prefer bagged systems. For $169.99, it's a feature-packed powerhouse.
So which one should you pick? The Eureka 3670M is great for budget buyers, the Whirlwind for bagless fans, the Bissell Zing for allergy sufferers, the Atrix for large spaces, and the Sweep Scent for max power and filtration. Think about your floor size, allergies, and budget. Then go with the one that fits your life best.